Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make Smartsheet dark mode. Now, if you've ever spent long hours staring at your computer screen, you know how tiring that bright white glare can be. Unfortunately, Smartsheet does not currently offer a built-in dark mode feature. But don't worry, because today, we're going to explore some smart workarounds that can help you achieve a dark mode effect in Smartsheet. This can be especially beneficial if you're using the Chrome or Edge browsers, as these steps will help turn your Smartsheet experience into a more eye-friendly one. Let's start by diving into your browser's dark mode settings. For this guide, our focus will be on Google Chrome, but if you're using Microsoft's Edge, these instructions will work for you too. The process is pretty straightforward once you know where to navigate. First things first, open a new tab in your browser. This step is crucial as it provides you with a clean slate to work on, without the risk of interfering with any tabs you currently have open. In the address bar of this brand new tab, type in the following URL: chrome://enable force dark. Imagine this page as a hidden menu in Chrome, offering a range of experimental features that you can tweak to enhance your browsing experience. Once you land on the Chrome flags page, your next task is to search for the setting titled Auto Dark Mode for Web Contents. Think of this as your new best friend in transforming your browsing experience. By default, this setting might be turned off. To bring about change, simply switch this setting from disabled to enabled. By doing this, you're instructing Chrome to apply a dark theme across all feasible web pages, including Smartsheet. After you've made this change, you'll see a prompt asking you to relaunch your browser. Don't hesitate, click that relaunch button. Chrome will close and reopen, applying your new settings in the process. This step is necessary to ensure that all your changes take effect properly. With your new settings in place, it's time to head back to your Smartsheet workspace. As you open it, you might notice Smartsheet has adopted a darker theme. While this isn't a perfect solution, and you may encounter some minor formatting quirks, it significantly reduces the glaring brightness of a white screen. Remember, this method relies on your browser to mimic a dark mode effect, and while it's a handy workaround, some elements may not display perfectly. However, for those long working hours when eye comfort is crucial, this simple tweak can make a world of difference. And just like that, you've learned how to give your Smartsheet a dark mode appearance using your Chrome or Edge browser settings. While we wait for Smartsheet to introduce an official dark mode, this workaround offers a quick and effective way to protect your eyes during late-night work sessions or whenever you're in need of a bit more comfort. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to make Smartsheet dark mode. If you want more videos like how to make Smartsheet dark mode, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.